All right, what's up guys? Chris with Drive Motorsports here. We're gonna be dynoing a 100% stock 370Z. This is a 2016 model. Nissan says that it makes 332 horsepower at the crank. So we're gonna find out what the wheel horsepower is. Not real, wheel horsepower, okay? And real. So that's what we're doing. So we're gonna strap it down and see what we get, because we're gonna be putting a Stillen Supercharger on this, and then after we install the Stillen Supercharger, we want to dyno it again and see what it gets then. So right now, find out what it makes stock. Guys, we dynoed the 370Z. She put down 287 horsepower and 243 foot-pounds of torque, which is awesome for this car. So, and that was to the wheels, not at the crank, to the wheels, because we have it on a dyno for a car. It's a chassis dyno, okay? If this engine was strapped to a regular engine dyno, then that would be the horsepower at the engine. So just to clarify, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna install a supercharger. It's a Stillen Supercharger, and we're gonna dyno it again and see what kind of horsepower numbers and torque we get from that. So make sure you like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, because we got a lot of really cool content coming.